Okay, my name is Kola Ajayi, and I'm sure you've seen my face and you've seen a number of my videos on YouTube and in other places. I'm bringing you quality value in this video. Take your time to watch and listen. This is going to really help you a lot. If this video is basically for you if you reside in Nigeria, one of the businesses you can do without any money and that can pay you good commission is selling on Jiji.com. Jiji.ng, I mean. You do not need to have the products. You don't even need to do the deliveries. All you need is to have a contact of the person who has the product and who can sell the product. You also need to have pictures of the product, and that is all you need. To register an account on Jiji.ng is free, and to also sell on Jiji.ng is free. You might need to advertise if you want to, but that's optional for you. I'll take you step by step on how to register an account on Jiji.ng. I'll teach you step by step on how to upload your pictures, how to optimize your products on Jiji such that when people search, your products come up on the first list. All of this I'll teach you in this video. Just take your time, listen as we go along. I'll take you to my screen now and I'll show you details step by step on how to get your products on Jiji.ng. This will cost you nothing and it is good for everyone. You have nothing to lose, you have everything to gain. So to start, you type in Jiji.ng. That is the URL. The moment it is loaded, you click. What you are seeing here is because my account is already registered, but if you have not registered your account, you will still register and you click on register. So I will log out now so that you can see what I'm saying. This is it, registration. Click on registration. If you are registering, you can register via Google, via Facebook, or you can register via email or phone. So click on register via email. Now you provide your email address, the password, your first name, then your phone number, and you click on register. The moment you do that, your account is registered. A mail will be sent to the provided email address, and you will need to click on that mail to verify your mail. That is how simple it is to register on Jiji.ng. Now, when you are registered, the next thing you start doing is to start selling. So I'm going to be logging back into my account so that you can see clearly. So I can show you how to sell on Jiji.ng. Now I'm logging into my account. Okay. So I signed into my account straight up. Now I'm in my account. What is the next thing to do is to start selling. The next thing to do is to start selling. And to sell on Jiji, I told you earlier you must have collected your pictures. You must have gone out to collect the pictures of the items you want to sell. You must have done your calculation. If your seller is giving you that product at 100,000 naira, you would have marked it up by about 15 or 10% and bring the figure to about 110 or 115,000 naira. That is what you are putting on your account. So we'll go on and click on sell. When you click on sell, you need to select a category. So you pick on category. So I'm picking furniture. Okay, furniture appliances, subcategory. I'm picking on furniture. Now it's asking me to add a picture. So I want to add a picture of the item I want to sell. You click here and it takes you inside where you have your files and you can pick the picture you desire. I want to increase the icon size so that I can see what I'm putting in. Okay, so I'm putting this image here. Yes, that is what I want to sell. Now I got this picture from my vendor. Now what region am I in? I'm in Lagos. Where am I in Lagos? I'm in Ikeja, Lagos, or somewhere else. Okay, so look for where you are, wherever you are, and input it in the system. Okay, look for whatever part of Lagos you are and put it in the system. Good. And you click on next. It's asking for title. This is one of the most important pages or information you must provide on your Jiji account, because when people are searching, they are searching for specific items. That your title must bear a name that will match what people are searching for. So what I have there now is a 4-seater workstation. So I'm going to put it there, 4, and I'm also going to say 4-seater workstation. If anybody is searching, that is what they will be searching for. So either the person uses the letter or the word, it will appear, my product will appear in the person's search. That is the way it works. Okay, so what type? This is a table. Is a table. I'll just look for, I want to see if there's any other option that is closer. Maybe there is workstation there, wardrobes, mattresses. No, 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 no. So the closest to it is a table. It's a table. So that's the option I'm looking for. You search for the option, you put it in there. Is it for the room? No. This is for an office. Okay, for office use. What's the color? It's brown in color. What's the condition? It is brand new. Now the description is also very important. The description must contain keywords such that when people are searching, they can find those keywords. This is how your product will rank. This is what will make your product rank very, very well. So we'll put keywords in the description. Keywords like this workstation is very good for use in an office with minimal space. It comes with 4 drawers with locks. Okay, it can also come as a 6-seater. Okay, so we'll put all of that. We'll put in our price. The next thing we'll put in is our price. We've calculated our price and we know what price to put on this. So we'll put in our price, 162,000 naira. Now that price is negotiable. So we click on negotiable and we want a standard ad. So we click on post ad and that advert goes into review. Now they've sent me an SMS to enter the code to confirm the phone number. Now I'll go to the SMS and get the code that was sent to me. Now I need that code to ensure that this goes live. Okay, so let's get the code that has been sent to me. So I'm entering the code right here. The code sent to me, I'm entering it right there. 34649. Confirm. Okay, so that advert merely goes into review. After reviewing the advert by the Jiji team, they will either decline it or they will approve it and it will become active. When it becomes active, everybody who searches can find that advert. That is how to upload products on Jiji. Now there is no limit to the number of products you can upload, and you can continue to upload products, change even details of those products as new ones come up. This is one of the best ways you can earn a good income. Like I mentioned to you, when you do this, your product goes live. After the product has gone live on Jiji, you will start getting orders either by calls or by SMS or other messaging forms. So you must ensure that you are checking your account from time to time. This is very, very important because your prospects must see that you are responding to them when they ask you questions. Also, if they call you, you must pick your call. You must respond to text messages. this is also very important. You must be a reliable seller. This is how you build your net worth on Jiji. Now, when you get orders by any of these means, you call your seller and confirm the availability of the product. When your seller has confirmed that the product is available, the next thing that you do is that you go out and agree with the person who is buying to meet at a good location that is not hidden. The person, you can also agree to meet at the seller's office. You would have had a prior discussion with the seller. More than this, some buyers will also insist in paying to corporate account. So you must have a good agreement with your seller that they can accept all of the payment into their account, and afterwards they pay you that which is your own bit. Okay? A lot of young people are doing this and are making a decent living selling on Jiji.ng, and there is nothing that is stopping you. This will not cost you money, so you don't have any excuse. This is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Get on Jiji, register an account, and start selling. Go out and talk to vendors who have products. They will be willing to help you. You want to help them to sell their product, and they're not going to pay you a salary, so they are always ready to accommodate people who want to sell for them. So go and talk to vendors, go and pick up their product, pick up the pictures, and start helping them to sell and start making a decent living. If you make 2 or 3 sales in a month, it is probably more than the salaries of some people who sit in the banquet hall from morning till night. Okay, so help yourself out, stop complaining, take responsibility for yourself, and go out and get this thing done. I believe this video has helped you, and if you have found value in this video and you've learned something from this video, please click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, because we'll keep bringing you valuable videos that can help you. Our objective, our goal is to teach people to earn a living that is decent online and offline.